In this video, I will show you how to import a PowerPoint presentation into Napkin AI. Let's get started. From the main dashboard, I'll select the option to, by importing a file. This opens the upload window where I can see that several formats are supported, including PPTX. I'll click Browse, find my presentation in my local files, and then click Open to begin the process. While the file is processing, Napkin AI is analyzing the text and structure to transform the static slides into an editable document. This step is helpful because it ensures that all my headers and bullet points remain organized and ready for visual conversion once they reach the editor. Once the loading is finished, my content appears in a clean, structured layout. I'll scroll through the document to review the text and ensure the hierarchy matches my original slides. To create a visual, I simply hover over any paragraph until the blue sparkle icon appears on the left. I'll click that icon to open the AI Suggestions menu. From here, I can browse various design options that best represent my information. I'll choose a colorful flowchart style that looks clean and professional. The AI instantly inserts the visual, turning my slide text into a high-quality graphic that is fully editable. And there you have it. That's the complete process of importing a PowerPoint into Napkin AI.